National Weather Service in Rapid City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Campbell County in northeastern Wyoming. Until 9:15 p.m. At 8:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles north of downtown Gillette, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. This is a very dangerous storm. Hazard: 80 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Flying debris will be dangerous to people and animals. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. The severe thunderstorm will be near west and around 9 p.m. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This storm has the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following counties: Campbell County in northeastern Wyoming,